Hi learners, welcome to Unified Study. We have last 16 days for our UGC NET examinations. What can be done in the last 15 days? How productive we have to work? Come on, let's look into this video. Last 15 days we have to do our complete revision of whatever we have prepared. We have to practice PYQs and we have to do our mock test. Simple, right? How it can be done. So this is the schedule which we have done in the Unified Study platform so that it will be most useful and productive for the aspirants, those who are going to appear for the NET examinations. So every day in Unified Study platform, we are going to give you two classes. One class is going to be on YouTube. It's going to be of conceptual revision class at 11 o'clock every day. It's going to be free for all the learners. And in the app and the same day night, we're going to have the PYQs practice on the topics which we discussed in the morning on the YouTube. So one day, one topic, not one topic, people development environment means the most important concepts will be discussed in the morning, revised in the morning, and in the evening the previous year questions practice will be done. So every day we are going to focus on 30 to 40 PYQs practice question where the class timing starts from 8 p.m. every day. So the class may go till 9:30 p.m. Right, so every day we are going to do the previous year question practice along with the concepts revision. Like that, it goes till 26th. We will be covering nearly 7 units of paper 1. You can ask me, ma'am, what about the other 3 units? So the other 3 units we have planned in such a way that every day 5 mathematical reasoning questions will be posted in the Telegram for practice with the solution. Right, that is one unit over. Then one day, 1 DI and 1 RC will be posted in the Unified Study app with the solution for the aspirants to do their practice. And apart from that, in Unified Study app, we have the test series which covers the units, which covers the topics, and also the full length mock test is also there which can be utilized. And the YouTube content which we have taken in the morning, the respective PDFs will be uploaded in the Unified Study app for the learners. So if you want to access and if you want to attend this app session, previous year question practice, attend the mock test, attend the DIRC with the latest pattern questions, you can join the Unified Study paper 1 course where for 1 month it's for 799, where you can also access the conceptual videos which we have taken before, and also the most important YouTube concise PDFs which will be taking from next week onwards. Right, these are the benefits of this 15 days, how productive we can be. Morning conceptual revision and evening will be PYQs practice. Apart from that, practicing test in the test series, full length mock test. Definitely you can score 80 plus in the upcoming NET examination for sure. Clear? Yes. So don't waste your time. Dream big, work hard, make it happen that we are going to crack the exam with the maximum score to get your JRF. Wish you all the best. From Monday onwards, we are going to start our productive sessions to make your time and to make you get success in your career. Thank you so much. See you on Monday.